Too many attempts, try again, or maximum number of attempts reached. This usually happens when you enter a wrong code, refresh too often, or log in repeatedly within a short time. First of all, wait for 30 to 60 minutes. This is a temporary lock by TikTok. Leave the app closed for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Don't request new codes or try to log in again until that time passes. If you keep trying, the timer resets, so wait it out once properly. After that, drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Or you can also simply switch to mobile data and reopen TikTok and try again. TikTok may unblock your device if your IP address changes. After that, go back to the home screen and tap on the settings option available there and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the general option available there. Then tap on the iPhone storage. In there, scroll and you will get to see the list of apps available. From there, tap on the TikTok. Then tap on the offload app option available there and confirm the upload and re-download the TikTok app on your mobile device. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.